Hello everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know modern dressing table designs ideas. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. Alcove dressers make innovative use of the alcoves in your room. Install a built-in makeup cabinet to store all your cosmetic essentials. Try to place this area as close to the window as possible, so you can make the most of the sunlight. Install a soft focus light for evening makeup sessions. Make sure to leave some space underneath for tucking in a small stool. Take the picture below. Look at the strategically placed cabinet that takes up zero floor space. The small niche makes it easy to tuck away the seat after use. Number 2. The corner shelf warm look. Simple as elegant. Note how this small shelf in pearl white stands out against the soft lavender walls. The bright red ottoman is creating an air of opulence in this area. Make sure to use house corners optimally like this. Number 3. Wall-mounted dressing table. Letting your whole dressing cabinet fixed onto the wall is an effective way to keep your floors clear. Store your cosmetics easily in the drawer. The chunky square mirror adorned with makeup lights adds some warmth and elegance to this space, while the brick walls provide an earthy backdrop for this dressing room. Number 4. Minimalism is the key. Modern dressing table designs for the bedroom do not need to be elaborate, especially if you have a small makeup stash. For example, take a look at this ultra-simple dressing area. The mirror is the focal point here. The charcoal gray drawer and chair aptly add to the minimalist charm of this modern drawing room. You can display your makeup and perfume bottles or choose to stash them away at your convenience. Number 5. Luxurious dressers with a touch of gold. A long and elaborate mirror is always a great focal point of any functional dresser. Instead, invest in a simple dresser with a mirror with side detailing. Something a little different from the generic dressing table design. Pair this up with a statement Victorian-style chair, and you have got an Insta-worthy dressing corner. Number 6. Mix and match styles. How about a neat and cozy dressing table in your bedroom? Take a look at this white dressing table with a wooden finish top. Cute white shelves in a ladder-like design add to the charm of this space. You are getting lots of space to store your makeup stash, too. This is a great idea for a bedroom dressing table design. The large mirror against the rustic brick walls adds a different dimension to this cozy spot. Number 7. Timeless wooden dressers. Trends will come and go, but a solid wood dressing table is timeless. Most wooden dressing table designs for bedrooms involve a solid wooden floor standing cabinet accompanied by a round mirror. However, if you are looking for something unique, you can use wooden frames with a full-length mirror attached to them. Add some studio-style spotlights or some white vanity light around the length of the dresser. Design a few niches on the frame and install them on your wall. Also, it doesn't always have to be a rectangle. You can provide your carpenter with a bit of space for creativity and add some curvaceous cuts to the wood. Number 8. Dresser for kids. Kids' bedrooms are naturally soft and pastel with cute motifs. Their dressing tables are no exception. So, carve out a small niche to set up a small-length mirror and some tiny shelves to accommodate their fashion items. After all, kids too need some space to store their toy watches, bags and hairbands. This compact dressing table in this room fits in perfectly with the decor and yet is just enough for kids and can be useful up to their teen years. Number 9. Linear dressing tables. Are you on a tight budget? Then go for streamlined dressing tables that do not stand out too much and are in tune with the rest of your decor. For example, look at the picture below. This simple linear design of this white dressing table is low-key and functional yet does not look out of place. A medium-size mirror and your makeup essentials in the display can alter this dressing area completely. Number 10. Private dresser. Not everyone likes having a complete dresser in their rooms. So instead, opt for a dresser in the privacy of your bathroom. Install cabinets on either side of the mirror to store your makeup. A wall hanging or a wooden floor cabinet also works. Today our episodes so far. If you like our video then please like, comment and subscribe. And Ye Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.